I'm the project manager of team number 59, named low cost portable mechanical ventilator. So we are 4 members in our team, and the problems that we are facing, we can say that we are facing the problems: lack of respiratory system in Afghanistan, high cost of respiratory system in Afghanistan, and respiratory problems in coronavirus patients, in extraction and importing of this respiratory system in Afghanistan. The solutions that we are giving, we can say that making automatic ventilators, making ventilator at a low cost, providing automatic breathing machines, providing self-made machines for Afghanistan. So let's start. Hello Hackathon Garage 48 team number 59. We have 4 buttons in here. The first button means okay, the second button means next, the third button in emergency cases we only use that one without giving any command. Number 4 means back. So in here we have menu, oxygen amount we can adjust it from here, air pressure we can adjust it from here, LCD light we can adjust it from here, and battery volt we can adjust as well. So let's start. And here we can say that if we press number 1, it will show us the ventilator is off. We want to on it, we have to press number 2 and then press number 1. So it will start the work. We have just made it, adjust that one. It will give the breathing for the patients. So about our future planning, we can say that after the hackathon, we will we will start work with Ministry of Health, and as well we can say that we have some contracts from the people. We will provide them, and why it is unique, we can say that it is on a low cost. It is not on a high cost. So we can say that for the word, it will change the word as well, and it means it is the low cost mechanical portable ventilator. And at the end, I want to say that. Challenges, we will make it easy for you. That you don't bear.